Intelligent infrastructure will accelerate Autonomy 2.0, building the golden age and fueling our nation's next S-curve in growth. Tesla is a leader in autonomy, advanced manufacturing of autonomous systems, and intelligent infrastructure. AI is rebuilding the backbone of the internet. The cloud built the digital economy. Intelligent infrastructure will build the physical one, connecting the world to sovereign intelligence in every community. Intelligent infrastructure and AI RAN is an unprecedented opportunity for renewed American leadership, refactoring of how we manage spectrum and compute. Intelligent infrastructure addresses national priorities. AI RAN for DoD and Civil, the FAA NextGen, national broadband, the DoD Golden Dome, resilient electrical grids, and precise positioning. As the router for robotics, it will allow for safe, intelligent, and autonomous air and ground vehicles. Analysts have declared the market opportunity for intelligent infrastructure in the millions of nodes. Morgan Stanley, industry groups, and government agencies estimate of 1.5 million projected over the next 5 to 7 years for the U.S. market. Infrastructure investors have allocated tens of billions to underwrite PINs as a new asset class. Tesla is strategically positioned on the national build-out of intelligent infrastructure and manufacturing the new assets called public infrastructure network nodes. Our compact hardware 5 architecture is combined with our advanced thermal management and energy storage. The invention of the oil-filled transformer drove the explosive growth of the AC revolution. PINs will drive intelligence into the physical world. PINs provide a symbiotic environment to SpaceX. Starlink provides a control plane and fiber in the sky in remote locations, while the PIN provides edge computing, base stations, fiber, and support AI RAN. This combination will activate a national M2 MRAN that supports AI, spatial computing, autonomous systems, and other Industry 4 solutions. Intelligent infrastructure will drive our nation's productivity and sovereignty, pushing our GDP past 5%. The future is autonomous. Really, autonomy is a massive, massive thing. What will the future look like in 5 years, or 10 years, 20 years? And 5 years from now, autonomous cars are going to be everywhere.
And also because you could distribute the towers every mile or so easily, and
yes,
yeah, and or just make them look cool, make them look like robots.
There was the famous Golden Spike ceremony for railroads in 1869. The golden pin for intelligence will be displayed in an obvious location, the beautiful Trump Mar-a-Lago, launching President Trump's national build-out of intelligent infrastructure program and building our next golden age.
For our country to really reach the scale that it can be, for it to be successful, we need to be the leader in the world of 5G and 6G. So